The story of Tanabata. Akari, a young woman who loves to make wishes to the stars, lived a little away from the hustle and bustle of a certain city. She was tired of the busy life of modern times and wanted to live honestly in her heart. Every year, as the day of Tanabata approached, she tied a strip of paper with her wish to a bamboo leaf and looked up at the stars shining in the night sky. However, there was a big wish in the back of her heart. It was to meet her ideal partner. One day, when she was spending time at a cafe with her friends, a man, Rio, jumped into her eyes like a prank of fate. It was very impressive that he was living with passion while pursuing his dreams. The moment their eyes crossed, Akari's heart pounded, and she wished to have the courage to talk to him. A few days later, Tanabata came. Akari wrote her wish on a strip while dreaming of a chance to meet him again. "Please bring me a wonderful encounter." The night came, and when I looked up at the starry sky as usual, a special star was shining brightly that night. She made a wish with all her strength towards the star. The chance encounter that night became the guide of fate. The next week, I met Rio again at a gathering of friends. The conversation was lively, and we talked seriously about our common hobbies and dreams. And we gradually began to recognize how important each other's existence is. A few months passed, and the two of them had a deep bond. However, there were times when I was about to be crushed by the daily business and the stress of daily life. At that time, Akari remembered Tanabata, and while looking up at the stars together, we decided to make a new wish for the future. May we grow together and build a relationship that supports each other. In this way, Akari and Rio nurtured love and spun their own stories while supporting each other. And every year on the day of Tanabata, we made it a habit to write each other's wishes on strips and make an oath to the stars. This modern Tanabata story teaches us that it is important to understand and support each other in order to build a good relationship, not to mention encounters and love. In this way, the story of Akari and Rio continued while wishing for the stars. Their wishes will still be shining in the night sky of Tanabata. In a place where love and dreams intersect, they continue to walk together. The end.